Hey guys, so here is the update about the Paws Airdrop on Telegram mini app. And the first update is that they first of all make an announcement that they might be leaving Telegram app because of the new regulations that the Telegram CEO initiated on airdrops that will be happening on Telegram. So there is high probability that you might not be able to access the Paws on Telegram mini app. So they have made provisions for another way of accessing your accounts, and your points or your Paws are still intact even while following another method. And also you can convert your Paws to voucher. And here is my take on it. Maybe you should convert or you shouldn't. I'll be telling you what I'll be doing from my own end. Because to the best of my knowledge, I think this might be a way to reduce population or to reduce number from this Paws profits. I don't know. I'm not saying it will be entirely loss if you convert to NFT, and I'm not saying it will be entirely gain if you do not. I'm just saying for my own end, I will make my decision and I will tell you why I think I will not be able to I will not be converting. So I just want to access my account. I will select the Phantom wallet. So should in case you are unable to access your Paws from the Telegram app, you just copy this link and paste it to your Phantom wallet. Then you select Phantom wallet while you're trying to access it. So from the pre-market price, from the pre-market trading, you can convert Paws minimum of 300 pieces to NFT voucher. But here is the deal. I'm trying to make a point here. If you don't have 300 Paws, just this is not for you. That's number one. And if you don't have 300 Paws, it does not mean you will not be eligible for the airdrop. No, you are still going to be eligible for the airdrop. Just that you will not be eligible to meet this voucher, this NFT voucher. If you ask me, I might say this is a way for you to stay away from the NFT voucher. Because since we don't have any pre-market price of what Paws will be, meeting an NFT voucher for 300k might be outrageous. Because you will not be able to sell this NFT voucher until 2 or 3 weeks after TGE. So now tell me, if the price of the Paws that you meted from one voucher is high, I am not saying you should increase your expectation about Paws TGE. And also, rumor has it that the TGE might be happening this month of February. Like they're speculating on the 20th of February. I don't know. Rumor has it that Paws might be listing this month of February. Whichever way, just stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on my updates about all of these airdrops. So now, since you will be unable to sell the voucher at TGE until after TGE, then what's your decision? Do you want to take the risk? Because this is like a blind market. You don't know what the actual price of Paws will be. And considering that you have to use 300 Paws to meet one single voucher, what do you think? From my hand, as far as I'm concerned, I don't think I want to do that. So for those that want to meet the NFT voucher, make sure you first of all have 300 Paws, at least more than. So if you have more than 300 Paws, you can decide to use 300 to meet the voucher, and use the extra to meet to hold as token for NFT. So now for my hand, I can meet. So let's see how their meeting goes. And you can, if you meet the voucher, you can sell it on Magic Eden. This Magic Eden NFT marketplace. So what you need to do is to connect your wallet on Magic Eden. You connect your Phantom wallet. I will select Phantom wallet on Magic Eden. Then you can connect Phantom. That's if you've meted your NFT voucher. So to meet NFT voucher on the Paws, you have to go to, let's go back to the page. So you can mint and list it on Magic Eden to sell. Like you tag your price, your own price you want to sell on Magic Eden. That is also possible. But to sell the voucher itself, when Paws list, you have to wait till after TGE. But to sell before Paws list, that means you have to come here to list it on Magic Eden. So if you have the NFT minted already and you want to sell out on Magic Eden, you can come here and search for Paws. And let's see, this is it. Paws Voucher. Currently at 0.05 Solano. This is the price. So the price is currently trading at 0.05 Solano on Magic Eden. So you can tag in your own price on what you want to sell, how much you want to sell for on this Magic Eden. But to sell to Paws itself, it has to be after TGE. I hope you are understanding my explanation. If you've minted the voucher already, you can come here to list it on Magic Eden and tag your own price. You see what the current price is, 0.05 is 0.05. And tag the price on Magic Eden to sell. But if you want to sell back to Paws, it will have to be after TGE before you will be able to sell back to Paws token. As simple as that. So if you can wait till after TGE, after if you have minted your NFT voucher, then you'll be able to sell back to Paws token. You'll be able to sell back your voucher to Paws. You'll be able to sell back your Paws NFT voucher to Paws token. But if you don't want to wait till after TGE, then you can simply list your Paws token, your Paws voucher here and sell on this Magic Eden. So now if you just want to mint the NFT, what you need to do is to come to this pre-market. This is their claim button in case of when they eventually list, we can claim here. So this is their claim button. We are going to be claiming directly to our Solano wallet. So if you want to mint the NFT, if you are convinced that no shaking, you can stand it. For myself, I'm not minting. Then you are saying mint Paws NFT voucher for the pre-market. Then I can click on next. As I said earlier, then you are saying trade voucher. The moment I click on this trade voucher, the mint button will pop up and 300 Paws token will be deducted from my balance. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. The moment I click on this trade voucher, 300 Paws token will be deducted from my balance and the mint button will pop up. I'll click on mint, and I also need some Solano as gas fee. I need a Solano coin on my Phantom wallet that I connected as gas fee. As I said earlier, I'm not going to mint. This is a blind market. We are all taking risk here because you might mint and you might end up getting more profits than those that are holding tokens, and you might mint and getting less profits than those that are leaving it in token. But if you think you have enough of Paws, that if you remove that 300 pieces, then you are good to go. You still have some that you can hold in token, then it's fine. But as far as I'm concerned, if I should remove 300 out of 400, I'm only left with 100 pieces. I don't think I want to take that chances. Let's assume I'm having like 600, I can split it equal like that. So this is my take on the NFT meeting voucher for Paws Airdrop. You can let me know what you think on this Paws meeting in the description, on the comment section of this video. So let me know what you think. Comment down below and let's know what you've got about the Paws meeting. So thank you for watching, guys. This is my take on Paws NFT, and I've just showed you how to meet and how to sell your NFT meeting before the TGE. So stay tuned for subsequent updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.